Sprouts chaat. Very good. Yes. Afif, what you have made?
Sprouts.
Sprouts. Good. Yes. Fruit salad. Zakriya? Fruit chat. Okay. Good.
Pudding.
What, Nihan?
Pudding.
Chocolate pudding. Very good. Hanan?
Rasmalai.
Rasmalai. Wow. Yes, Zaid?
Salad pasta.
Salad pasta. Good. Athar?
Corn chat.
Corn chat. Okay. Very good. Yes. Farhan? Fruit chat. Okay. Yes, Mariam?
Sandwich.
You have prepared sandwich. Zainab, what is yours?
Mini sandwich.
Mini?
Sandwiches.
Sandwiches. Wow. Good. Yes, Inaya?
Cucumber boat chat.
Cucumber boat chaat. Looks yummy. What? Pani puri. Yummy, yummy. Tasty, tasty. Yes, Filza, what is yours dish? You have prepared bhel puri. Good. Yes, Ikhra, what have you prepared?
Sandwich.
Veg corn sandwich. Good. Yes, Sadeha?
Bhel puri.
Bhel puri. Okay. Ariha?
Chana.
Chana masala. Wow. Yes, Zunera? Something. Kachoris. Hot kachoris, cold kachoris. Yes, Ikhra Hashmi, what is
Tomato bites.
tomato?
Bites.
Tomato bites. Good. Yes, Zuha? Pani puri. Okay. Nabil? Fruit salad. Okay. Yes, Ibad? Custard cake. Good. Ahmed?
Custard.
What have you prepared? Fruit custard. Okay. Arman?
Fruit salad, sandwich, cold coffee.
Oh, you are presenting three things. Yes, Yusuf?
Fruit chat.
Fruits chat. What have you prepared? Mini sweet breads.
Yes.
Okay.